In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a section in Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know how to secure a section, lock and unlock it on demand, and change or remove the password whenever you need to. This walkthrough applies to the desktop versions of OneNote on Windows and Mac. First, open OneNote and locate the section you want to protect. A section is the colored tab across the top or side of your notebook, and everything inside that section, every page, will be covered by the password. Right-click the section tab, then choose Password. Protect this section. A pane or dialog will appear. Click Set Password, type your password, confirm it, and select OK. That's it. The section is now protected, and the pages inside won't be visible unless the correct password is entered. A quick tip here. Choose a strong password that you can remember or store securely in a trusted password manager. OneNote cannot recover a lost section password, so treat it like a safe combination. Also, this protects the section within OneNote itself. It doesn't encrypt exported files or printed copies you've saved elsewhere. If you want to lock the section right away, right-click the section tab again, go to Password Protection, and select Lock All Protected Sections. When a section is locked, you'll see a prompt when you try to open it, and the page content will remain hidden until you authenticate. When you need to get back in, simply click the Protected Section tab. OneNote will ask for the password. Enter it and select Unlock to view and edit your pages. You can continue working as usual until you lock it again or close OneNote. If you want to change the password, make sure the section is unlocked first. Right-click the Section tab, choose Password, protect this section, then click Change Password. Enter the current password, type your new password, confirm it, and apply the change. This keeps your notes secure if you suspect someone else might know the old password, or you're just updating your security. To remove the password entirely, unlock the section if it's currently locked. Open Password. Protect this section. Again, choose. Remove password and enter the current password to clear it. The section will return to an unprotected state, and its pages will open without a prompt. If you don't see these options, double-check that you're using the desktop app rather than a web or mobile version. Finally, remember to sync your notebook after changes if you use OneNote on multiple devices, so your protection settings carry over everywhere you work.